Hello there, my name is Miss Parker. I teach geometry at Riverside High School. White teeth are very important to me being in front of the classroom all day, every day. As a patient of Procrean, I get teeth whitening at every cleaning appointment for life. The best part is enrollment is free because I'm a teacher. All I had to do was verify with a teacher ID or other document. They gave me a platinum member card to bring in to redeem my free whitening at every cleaning appointment. I called and Procrean scheduled my first appointment within a week. I didn't have to pay a dime because my Blue Cross insurance covered it 100%. My experience was phenomenal, the most comfortable dental appointment I've ever had. Comfort menu, coffee and cookies, warm blankets, laughing gas, headphones, essential oil towels. If you want a premier dental experience and free teeth whitening for life, call Procrean and tell them Miss Parker from Riverside High sent you.